Well, here we are back at the slugging after work today, and the rain's just came on. I've changed the settings in the camera today, so I'm hoping it's a little bit brighter. I've been finding it's awful dull, a bit like my hooks on Monday. The wind is a gusty, and the river is down 2 feet. It's down to 1 foot, maybe 1 foot 2, but it's a big difference from the 3 foot it was at the other day. Nobody fishing bottom of beat 4 again. Never is. Never have they fish in the bottom end of that. Oh, fish on. Fish on or a snag. That's a snag. That was exciting. Oh, the wind's lovely. What is going on here? Oh, I know what's going on. I'm using a extra fast sink tip, and there's only a foot of water. That's what's wrong. Oh, it's getting nice now. I'll have to change the tip. Might just go for it. Hailstones. There's Brian here. I'm just tying a trace. Changed a slower sink. The wind is brutal. This wind is a pain in the ass. Got a quick cast before it comes in. The wind is almost blowing us over at one point. I'm not getting a very good cast in it, to be honest. My wee flies landed about 10 feet behind the line. The line's getting blown around with the wind. No wind under the water though. Struggling a bit up there as well. Probably can't hear it in the wind anyway. Or it might not look that bad in the camera, I don't know. figure of waiting away here. Changed over to pink alley shrimp. Don't enjoy wading. Oh, come on. I don't enjoy wading in this depth of water either. I'd rather be above my knees. When it's this shallow I always tend to fall in. What's the problem there then? Just me? Just me was the problem? Oh, the wind is brutal. Tangled. Right. We have fished in some windy conditions the last little while, but this is taking the biscuit tonight. Brian's using a big Skagit head. He's not so bad. I've just got a short from laying on, which isn't the best. But I didn't know it was going to be windy, so I should have prepared better. The river's almost coming back the way. Actually, I can stand up. And the water's going nowhere now. Caught around my bag, caught around my net. What's going on there? And again. Fun times. I can tell you, there's no pleasure in this right now. Bad in between the gusts. Well, I thought we'd give something different a go, so we're now on the other side of the bridge, and we're going to try and fish this down here, because the mouth of that pool over there will probably be the best bet, but the wind's still hammering up here, so the river looks as if it's going the opposite direction. I thought the tide might have been coming in, but it's not. Nothing to do with the tide. Well, it's nicer than it was on the other side anyway, so I'll give it a go. It's calmed down a little bit here now. Getting the line out. Oh, there's a siren coming. It's pretty dark now, so I just wanted to check the low light feature on the GoPro. That's about it from me. Can't really see it anymore anyway. Can see enough to get home. My dad's up on the bridge, so I think he's trying to get down here. I'll get him up. I'll go and see him. Make sure Brian's alright. Brian's out there. Anyway, it's too dark. Oh, that was good.
You want to get a use?
Nah, I'm alright, thanks.
Sure.
Aye, aye. I've got a Chinese in the car.
Oh, good.
Well, half a Chinese. I ate a bit before we went on the river and then I was itching to go on the river, so I just left it. Anyway, right, thanks for that. Save me a walk. Cheers. Did a bit of cheating there. Brian's still on the river, so I decided I would get a lift from my dad. Because he came down to see us anyway. And, aye. Happy days. Well, I don't know so much if it was a waste of time that, but it was worth a chuck. It's always worth a chuck. You gotta be in it to win it. But it was hard going in that wind. The slugging was kind of pointless, to be honest. But we gave it a go. Brian's still there chucking away. But aye, handy getting a lift home with my dad. That was good. Or a lift back to the car at least. So until the next time, I think it'll be Saturday probably before I'm out again. I'll wait and see. I think it'll be Saturday anyway. Saturday and Monday, no doubt. Bye bye.